sound. Again, take a deep breath in. Hold it for 5. Let it out with a sound. Now clear the space in front of you. Put your head down. Lauren, you can come back up to the table. Y'all can come back up. Place your head down. Allow your body to relax. Resist the urge to fidget. Just allow yourself to relax. In this moment, take the time to hear the furthest sound away from you. The sound that's the furthest in the distance. She's going to stand up on a chair. Go ahead. Here we go. You all are going to mimic what she does. Standing up. Here we go. Mimic her face. You can add sound. What are you doing?
For real?
For real? No. No.
Chill, boo.
Chill, boo. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Sure. Whatever.
I'm chilling.
I'm chilling.
Like for real?
Like for real?
I don't know.
I don't know. Expand your palette of emotion.